Welcome back guys to my channel. So, andito tayo ngayon sa Ninoy Aquino International Airport at pupunta tayo sa Japan.
Yeah. Give me 17. Damn.
Guys, welcome back. So, nandito na kami ngayon sa Japan. It's almost 9 in the evening guys. So, kahit pala ng 1 hour ang Japan sa Pinas guys. So guys, kasama ko yung buong family ko. Ayan. Welcome back guys to my channel. So, today, special yung vlog natin kasi today we're in Japan guys. So, we're in Osaka. So guys, we're in Osaka, Japan. So 8 days or 9 days yata tayo dito guys sa Japan. So dito muna tayo mag-upload ng mga videos natin. And try natin mag-check ng yung mga napapanood ko guys sa mga vlog, yung mga thrift store, yung mga bilihan ng mga sapatos. Yan, so tatry natin ma-videohan or makapag-upload ng mga videos doon sa mga places na yun guys, kasi kasama ko yung family ko. Yan. So kasama ko yung family ko for a vacation here sa Osaka, Japan guys. So it's our day 2 here. And guys, sobrang lamig. Ayun, naninigas na yung kamay ko sa sobrang lamig guys. Pero okay lang guys. So guys, kasama yung family ko, anak ko, wife ko, mga siblings ko. Yan. So guys, this is Osaka, Japan guys. First time namin na sa family to visit Japan. Ayan. So hindi muna tayo makakapunta guys sa BGC, Jordan Manila or mga Nike store, pero try natin dito yan sa Osaka, Japan guys, kung ano yung mga makikita natin.
I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go eat, then you know I'm gonna feed them. If you're coming for me, hope you're ready for a demon. I got eyes in the back of my head, I'm seeing. Take me for granted and you know I'm leaving. I'ma take what's mine with the webs I'm weaving. I could take this crowd from seeing to believing. Got a taste for blood in my tongue, keeps bleeding from the words I spit. So sharp, so freezing, so cold. Behold, frostbite they feeling. I could tear you apart or I could go heal them. Don't believe in fate, don't believe in ceilings. I just need a taste and my mind starts peeling. I don't pace myself, I grind on kneeling. Got lust for change, I just love the feeling. I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up. Head down, push forward through the tough times. Cause anything worth doing is a tough climb. And I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up. Head down, push forward through the tough times. Cause anything worth doing is a tough climb. Cause I'ma live life for the fight, yeah, I'm here to get it. I got drive, got sight, always have a vision. I go by at night, I be in my feelings. I'ma be fine, need time, and I'll soon be winning. I live life for the fight, yeah, I'm here to get it. I got drive, got sight, always have a vision. I go by at night, I be in my feelings. I'ma be fine, need time, and I'll soon be winning. I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go eat, then you know I'm gon' feed them. If you're coming for me, hope you're ready for it.
So guys, welcome back. So actually second day namin to dito sa Osaka, Japan, and hapon na guys, mga bandang 5 na. So isang buong araw pa lang guys, hindi pa gabi, pero pagod na ako. pagod na kami rito. Bas daw, bas. Nahabol yung bas. Guys, sinahabol namin yung bus. So guys, dito kami ngayon sa taas ng Kobe Nunobiki Herb Gardens. Ayan. So napakataas nito guys. So gumamit kami or sumakay pala kami ng cable car papunta rito kasi malabundok na rito. Pero guys, napakaganda ng lugar na to. Ayan. Para siyang Tagaytay South Windsor Highlands ba yun? Thank you.
Dapat nga dyan.
May nakakarang dito eh.
Guys, takot na takot yung kapatid ko sa cable car.
Palit tayo.
Ito na ako. Time-lapse na ako.
Ah, okay.
So guys, nandito kami ngayon sa alley na to. Ang tawag dito guys is Shinsaibashi. Kung if I'm correct. Grabe guys, oh. Ooh. Guys, so tax-free. Guys, ito yung Nike store.
That's language. This is different languages. Keep on getting Japanese stuff.
So guys, welcome back at past 9 o'clock na. So unfortunately guys, hindi natin napuntahan yung mga bilihan ng mga sapatos. Kasi nga maaga nagsasara guys yung yung mga store dun sa Shinsaibashi. So we will try it sa ibang araw. And so guys, so tinatapos ko na yung vlog natin. Pero tomorrow kami ng USJ, so Universal Studios Japan. So kasama ulit yung family. And baka whole day kami guys kasi nga masyadong malaki yung USJ and hindi enough yung isang araw. Pero yun. So again guys, thanks for watching. So sana may magustuhan kayo sa mga pinakita ko. And again, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.